This is our bead stringing material. There are many different beads, and each bead is a different color and a different shape. The blue bead is a cylinder, and the orange bead is a cube. Each bead has a hole inside, and that is where our string will go. Oh, it's a long string. There is a tiny ball at the end to keep our beads on. What color should we start with? I think I will choose blue. Watch. I did it. The blue bead is on the string. Next, I will choose orange. And green. The green bead matches the green string. Red. That one got a little bit stuck. And the last bead is yellow. There. All of my beads are on the string now. I think that I will take them off. Yellow. Red. I can pull the bead, or I can pull the string. It works either way. Green. Orange. And blue. Blue is the last bead. I return them to my basket, and I will put my string back into the basket. And I will return my basket to the shelf. Here is another bead stringing activity. This basket has brown beads that are round, and each bead has a hole. Do you see it? This is where the string goes. Here is the string. This string is yellow and very, very long. And at the end there is a knot. This will keep the beads from falling off. I will show you how to put a bead on the string. Watch. I did it. I put the bead on the string. I will choose another. There is one more bead in the basket. One, two, three. All 3 beads are on the string. Let me show you how to take them off. Oh, it's a very, very long string. 1, 2, 3. And now I will wind the string around my hand so that it is beautiful to return it to the shelf.